Hey everyone, Technoman here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record in 4K video recording on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, in order to record 4K, you need to have an iPhone 6s or newer. Anything older than that does not support 4K. So once you know that you have a newer iPhone 6s or later, simply open up the camera app on your iPhone and then go over to the video recording section. Now, by default, your phone might not be recording in 4K. And the way to tell is if you look at the very top here, when it says 720 pixel, that is not 4K. So if I record a video right now, I'll show you later where it also will tell me that this is not a 4K video. Now, in order to change to 4K recording, we need to tap on that number until we see the 4K. So you can tap on it and now we see 4K. Now, on the newer iPhone with the Pro model, the 4K can also come in 20 frames per second, 30 frames per second, and then 60 frames per second. Then you can click on the second number here to adjust the frame rate here. So 60 frames per second is the highest rated that you can get in 4K. And if I were to record it, right, just like that, we're going to show you how we can tell a video is 4K. So I recorded this one. So these two videos that I recorded, I can also identify them if I go into my Photos app and I look at these content. The first one I recorded here, if I click on that eye icon here, it's going to tell me that this is a 720 pixel video. It's not in 4K. Now, if I move over to the second one I recorded, click on that eye icon here, I can see that it's been recorded in 4K. So this is a 4K video. So that's how you can record in 4K. Another setting you can also do is that if you want the default option to be 4K, is go into your settings and then go over until you see the camera, and then where it says video recording, you can change the setting so that it's any of these 4K options. So if I do the highest, I can do this one, or any of these, or any of the other options as well. These will allow you to go ahead and record 4K each time you're recording a video instead of that 1080p or 1040 or 720. So as you can see here, you'll be able to record 4K just like that. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.